Hey everyone, welcome back to Drawing Time with Steve. Now, people love to have a bird as their own pet, so that's why we're going to draw a bird. Are you ready to draw a bird? Great! It's very easy to draw, you know? Okay, so let's draw a, a curve that goes around like this for the bird's body, like that. A curve for the wing. Two legs. Or the feet. Oh, before I draw the eyes and the beak, I better color in the bird. Okay, let me color in the bird red. Alright, there we go. Now, I'll add the eyes and the beak. Just like that. And fill in the big yellow. There! A bird! Let's see your drawing of a bird. Oh, nice! So yeah, that's my drawing for today. A bird. And, thanks so much for learning to draw with me. We'll see you soon.